And Mr. Joe Galison, all the way from Barangay Pagulumbo. Now, residents of Barangay Osmeña, are you ready? Now, let the game begin! Jump right, person number 3. Out, violation agad.
Ay, yung aso! Ba't yung aso?
Bola makukuha ng team.
Bakit jambon?
Ang kunin ng jump bola.
Dapat isang beses lang kasi. Hindi naman na muna din natikot daan.
Here comes Team Centro. Jersey number 6. Guarded. There's a whistle. Early foul. Foul on jersey number 13. That's your first personal foul, first team foul. Inbound play. Pass to number 0. No good. That's a service. Wala pa rin. Wala makukuha ng Team Looban. Here comes Team Looban. Jersey number 29. Sario stops it from. Pati sa bola, makukuha ng Team Centro. Here comes Team Centro. There's a whistle. Blocking foul. Committed by jersey number 28. 29 rather. 29. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. Jersey number 28 again.
TJ daw! TJ!
Sario!
Jay!
Jersey number 1 gets the pass.
Bakit puro kay Pao?
Number 1 looking for super pass. Number 28 to number 3 fires up. 2 points.
Maka 1 point ka.
Here comes Team Looban. Sevilla attacking. Sevilla fires up.
Sario!
Simple.
Tres-dos kayo. Depensa nyo, tres-dos. Tres-dos, ba't nandun ka sa ako?
3-2 depensa daw.
500 retention na.
Jersey number 16 bound in the ball. Bola pala ng Team Centro. Jersey number 29. Over na bitawan. Makukuha ni Viernes. Viernes attacking the paint. Lays up the ball.
Ay!
Bola makukuha ng Team Looban. Sario may tangan ng bola. Sario stops and bomb.
Ay, kate!
There's a whistle. Chip down.
Banugan ni Jay. Ay!
Agawa ng bola, makukuha ni Sevilla. Sevilla fires up. No good. Bola makukuha ni jersey number 3. Nilabas. Pass to Sevilla ulit. Fires up. Number 1, no good.
Ay, naku po.
Kapitan. Makukuha ni number 1. Number 1, can't to shoot. No good. Number 12 ang rebound. 10 to shoot. There's a whistle.
Foul man.
Committed by jersey number 12, illegal conduct of hand. That's your first personal foul, 13 foul. Five to shoot. Number 12 fires up. That's good. 2 points.
Hey, uwi doon! Nakikilaro yung aso.
O pass to Sario. Sario starting a play. Pass to
Ay, nasobrahan mat.
pass. Ball out of bounds.
Di mo na lang sinot, DJ. Time out mo.
Rave.
Ayusin nyo.
Bola na.
Ilan na sila?
Tres-dos, J.
Here comes Team Centro. Number 3, pass to number 28. Number 12, moving for receiver. Number 6. Pass to Garcia. Tulang again. Forcing to shoot. Sevilla looking for receiver. Inside pass to number 28. That's good. 2 points. 6-0 run for PF Centro. Number 18. Sevilla. Sevilla pass to De Guzman. De Guzman looking for receiver. Pass to Steve. Kasama pang foul. Foul committed by jersey number 3. That's the first personal foul, second team. This throw for jersey number 12. Naprada.
Ayusin mo, Naprada.
Bonus throw.
Ay, sayang.
Papikan, makabuha ng team Centro. Sevilla, looking for receiver. Gutierrez, to 19, back to number 6.
Ah, wala.
3 seconds violation. Ang itlog sa loob. Sario, pass to De Guzman. From Team Leola. De Guzman is
Ay, sos!
strong ball out of bounds.
Tos, hindi bote. Napunta kay ano. Napunta kay ano.
Okay, please, Centro basketball. Official score natin, 6 down to 2. Here comes Sevilla again. Sevilla is slicing the middle, pass to Nankin. No good.
Up!
Jersey number 29 is Sario. Gets the rebound. Sario now to dribble the ball.
Yeah!
Nasa penalty na katingin. Here comes Team Centro. Sevilla pass to his teammate. No good. Guzman. Guzman.
Ano ba yan?
Number 13 Sevilla. Files up. No good. Bola. Magbubuhat ang Team Centro.
Ang gulo-gulo. Ang gulo niya.
Yes.
Pakita mo yun, oh.
Harassing.
Yung maliit. Number 8.
Oh, si ano, ito.
Pass number 12. Nakalis
Si Amante,
ang dalawa.
Amante.
Here comes jersey number 12. Pass to number 3. No good. Number 3 gets a service. Ball out of bounds tayo. Save. Time remaining po natin 2 minutes and 59 seconds. Pass to Lantin. Lantin, long two. That's good. 2 points for Lantin.
Yeah! Jayon boy! Ay, Amante! Pahinga daw, Amante!
Guzman. Pass to Sario. Sario to Sevilla, back to Guzman ang ball. Guzman
Mangitlog kayo.
Pass to Sario.
Vijay!
Sario, BYR.
Sayang!
Ball na kuha ng number 2.
Raven boy ah!
Here comes Sevilla again. Ito sa Tablan. Tapos mga oras number 14.
Amante, Amante! Amante, baba!
Garcia.
Ang ingay niyo daw.
Attacking. Agalang dito. Magugulaan ni Sario. Mababawa ni Sevilla. Paso na pagkakalaon. Kasama po sa trip.
Guzman!
Di Guzman out.
Looban! Guzman! Pahinga ka muna!
Time out tayo. Team set. Jersey number 3. Pass to Sario. May tangan ng bala para sa Team Leola. Pass to Sevilla. Fires up. Very good. Pass to Viernes. He's up. Number 1 is Sevilla. Pass to Brazil. Here comes Brazil. Over the cross. Send ball for 3. Number 1 of Team Centro. There's again. Ball committed by jersey number 13. That's your second personal foul penalty.
Sino nag-penalty? Sino yung nag-penalty? Hala ka.
Also, no good.
Ayusin. Sino dapat papasok?
Tignan natin. Second and last throw. Walang pupurak.
Saksadoy!
Second throw, no good. Wala magagawa ng team Locoban.
EJ!
10 seconds. Erosino fires the 3. Tapi ka ng bola.
Revenge! Revenge shot! EJ!
Wala na bounce. Singo. 59 seconds.
Dapat ka na tabi. Namatay kita. Ayoko nga.
Number 5 again. There's a whistle. Traveling.
Vitamins! Vitamins!
45 seconds. Fairness. Hesitating. Pass to his teammate. Fires up. No good. Bola makuha ni number 1. Wala pa rin. Ang gawa ng bola makuha ni number 12. Fairness pa rin ang bola. 40 to shoot. Tapi kan. Makuha ni number 12. Pass to Sario. Bola rebound sa'yo. 20 seconds. Shot clock is off. 20 seconds. Sevilla, bad pass. Masuk sa tabi ng Locoban.
Diretso! Jay!
10 seconds.
EJ!
For the buzzer. 5 seconds.
Jay! Ay, tutas na yan. Wala na, tapos na.
Opening quarter. Ball pass to Sario.
Galing naman ni Gian, oh.
There's Orwell looking for his teammate. Pass to.
Ay, nagbalik-balik.
Ito sa number 18 to Guzman. Guzman to Sario. Fires the 3. No good. Tapikan. Nakuha na ng team. Nothing now. Hinasa.
Ala kayo.
Magawa pa rin yung number 18. Hinasa kay Guzman. Sario again. Sario fires up.
Uy, may pants ka na doon, EJ, ah.
Here comes number 28. Pass to his teammate. Fires up.
Sayang. Sa EJ na lang pinapasa. Darwin, ipasa na kita.
Sario. Sario. Kasipera. Wala pa rin. Number 12 on rebound. Here comes Team Centro. First number 29 using the body. That's good. 2 points. Here comes Sario again.
Big Guzman. Sevilla.
Sevilla. No good. Bola makukuha ng 28. Number 28 again. Pass to Viernes. Viernes fires up. No good. Tapos ka ng bola. Makukuha. Bola rabang tayo. Nakawan basketball. Sa atas ang red. Number 13 out. Ericson in.
13.
13 ng Prada.
Ay, 14 daw.
Sevilla pala.
Sevilla, ano?
Number 13. Sevilla out.
Out ka muna daw.
Ball pass to Sario again. Naptahan.
Ay, puwa na
Nakukuha ni
yun.
number 29. There's a whistle. 12 committed by jersey number 29. That's a second personal foul for Steve. Pass through, number 28. Nakil, Muzitiri.
Hindi to live.
Number 28 again.
Video to.
Back to Nakil, fires up, no good.
Sayang
Makukuha
naman.
pa rin ng Team Centro. Kapikan. Makukuha ni ng Prada.
Na Prada! Ay,
Pass to number 30, fires up, no good.
sana all.
Team Centro.
Hindi to live sa YouTube to i-upload.
Here comes number 29, Garcia.
28?
Pass to Viernes. Back to
28.
Garcia into the main. Turnover. Number 1.
EJ!
Sario push. Pass to number 30. Bad pass. Ball out of bounds.
Sayang naman.
Out. Sibuya in.
Ano nangyari? Nankel. Nawadi di bola.
Darwin,
Naki, balik tangan ng bola para sa Team Centro. Pass to Garcia. Garcia sa number 3. Pass to number 3. 14 to shoot. Nakil fires up. No good. Ball out of bounds tayo. Mapupunta sa Team Locoban. Ball pass to Sario again. From Team Locoban. Silvia nabitawan. Makukuha ni number 12 Viernes.
Sayang.
Pass to Garcia again. Garcia setting a play. Pass to number 6. Fires up. That's good. 2 points. Umakit sa tatlo ang lamang ng Team Centro.
Wala na naman sa loob eh.
Pass to Sario. Sario fires up. 2 points.
Bakit mo lang humihiyaw? Humiyaw ka naman. Ay, pambira.
Garcia.
Kahit sino.
Arriba el play. Pass to Nakil. Nakil crossover. Nakabigat na gawa ni Garcia. To Nakil.
Oh, diba?
Sario. Time remaining natin 2 minutes and
Ako yung maingay sa video ko.
sabihin mo si Ed, italog siya.
Pambira.
Hindi ka na siya, depensa.
Sana all.
Depensa!
pass to Sevilla, fires up.
Ay, kita agad ko kakit dyan.
Number 3, Viernes.
Nag-ano din ako dito. Sayang. Sabay
Ball
ka.
out of bounds tayo. Sigo. 7 seconds to shoot.
EJ!
7 seconds.
Sibilia. Ay,
5%. Nakil fires up.
sana all. EJ!
Locoban. Sario. Pass to his teammate. Fires up.
Ay, 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 ay.
Kapag ang bola maguguha ng Team Centro. Sevilla fires up. That's good. 2 points.
May Sibilia din ba sila?
1 minute and 20 seconds.
Time out, pagkat natin.
There's a whistle. Traveling violation. Time out. Team Locoban. Time remaining.
Sa tindahan. May...
Dapat ano? 17-10. 17-10.
Wala nila. Uy, depensa!
Time remaining 1 minute and 19 seconds. Pass to number 12. Viernes fires up. That's good.
Sana all.
Guzman, pass to Sario. 1 minute. To Sevilla. Back to Guzman ang bola. Guzman.
Nay!
Pass to Becca.
Pinasapasan niyo pa kasi. Sayang. Sana din nyo lang pinasa.
Block again from Sario. Up 6. There's a whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 29. That's your third personal foul. Second team foul.
Graduate kan sama dia eh. Tatlo na. Foul na. Dalawa na lang.
2 free throws for Sevilla. Tignan natin kung papasok.
Sa may tindahan ko yun.
We're throwing it up. Second and last throw, tingnan natin. Second throw, short. Bola makukuha ni Sario. Sario pass.
Ay, tatals naman.
Ball out of bounds. Team Central Basketball.
29.
Jersey number 29 out.
Pahinga ka daw muna. Puro ka pang. Ano ba nangyayari sa'yo?
Number 29. Pass to number 22.
Sana all. Sonyega.
Tapos na lang pala makukuha ng team Locoban.
Ay!
Villa Locoban super pass to number 30. 25 seconds. Number 30 fires up. Short.
Ay!
Hanggang buko, makukuha nila.
Rebens!
For the product. 15 seconds. Seconds.
Naulaw ni Yael. Naulaw.
5 seconds. Wait for the buzzer.
Sayang.
And the second quarter. Officials now the third quarter.
Wala si Goryo. Dito na kayo ha. Dito na.
We are now the third quarter. Para makukuha ni ng team. Asu Garcia fires up 3. No good.
Na, nagsublima na.
Villa. Leaning out. Nancy again. Fires up pa rin. Tapos ang bola. Makukuha ni Sario. Napitawan. Here comes Sario. Pass to number 30. Fires up 3. No good. Here comes number 28.
Okay na, Gian. Substitution. Gian, substitution.
Violation. Dapat sa Team Central.
Awa na, naano siya na. Vitamins. Substitution.
Substitution rep. Nakapinat. Pagkakimaki. Both is number 18. First ball. Friday against rebound. Pass to Guzman. Here comes Guzman. Intercepted by number 26. Number 6 Friday. Pass to Sevilla. By pass. Block on ball.
Sana all.
Ball committed by jersey number 29. That's the fourth personal foul.
29 na lang. Mamaya ka na, Jane.
One for graduation number 29.
Ako gagraduate.
Gagraduate ka na, Jane.
Graduating na.
Hindi ka pa, ano.
One throw shoot. Substitution rep.
Lapak kayo.
Puro City.
Si Rambe.
Na mag-graduate, Fred. Graduating student.
Pinapag-graduate ka, Jay. Pag-asa, gabi na.
Number 30. Number pass to Garcia.
Nice one, Raven!
Raven Ball!
Prada Kosovo slide. There's
Allah!
a whistle for robbery violation.
Bakit hindi niya sinot?
Babalik sa team sa ikawang bola.
If Lawrence, kaya mo yun, shoot mo. Nahihiya kasi si Ed Lawrence.
May tangan ng bola. Garcia, moving the ball back into the spot. Garcia, hot and no good.
Ay napo! Ay napo! Eh, di ba? Di mo kinuha, sayang.
Here comes jersey number 30.
Shoot! Shoot yan! Walang nag-ano ah. Walang nagsabi.
At number 22. Good. 2 points.
Sana all.
Here comes number 30, Brazil. Brazil gets the ball.
Ginawawan nyo naman.
Whistle. Ball committed Brazil number 22. That's the first personal foul, first team foul.
Ginawawan nyo si ano? Si Gabino. Yay! Ito pa.
Second and last row, wala. Wala makukuha.
Bola nyo, bola. Ay, nako.
No good. Same pa tayo. Substitution rep. Number 28 out.
Nalipatan da.
CJ, pasok nyo!
Number 30, looking for receiver. Intercepted na naman ang Team Centro.
Sana all.
Yan, ikot na, dikit!
Champion na ba?
May tangan. Biernes fires up.
Okay na, naglaingan.
2 points. Number 30 fires at 3. No good. Biernes gets the rebound. Pass to his teammate. Time remaining 3 minutes 30.
Pagod na, pagod.
Again, attacking. No good. Happy pass.
Ay, Apo.
Nakuha number 12. Number 12 pass to Biernes. At number 22 fires at 3. In and out. Happy ka ng bola. Nakukuha ng Locoban.
Yan!
It's number 30. Dribbling the ball. Number 30 attacking.
Ay, tatay mo. Ano ba yan?
Intercepted na naman ang Team Centro to Steve Villa. No, that's good. 2 points.
Pasok nyo si ano, yung Marlene. Tambak na eh. Pagod na yung mga ano.
Ball pass number 13. Villa. Number 30. Number 30 fires up. No good. Wala makuha ni Steve Villa. Steve Villa pass to his teammate. Quick. Fires up.
Pasok nyo yung dalawa.
Kalma. Team Locoban.
Kaya.
Hayaan mo na, hayaan mo na. Ayan. Score nila.
Kaya. Meron pa?
Mo ha? Adaptive pa ni Batutoy kasi ano? Ay, wala ko dyan.
Locoban basketball tayo. Locoban basketball.
Hoy, Loban!
Ball pass to ng Prada.
Iaso, eh,
Ang
aldan.
Prada. Pick out pass sa kanya Masama. No good. Number 29 gets the rebound. Fires up. No good. Number 13. Wala pa rin. Happy ka na bola.
Up.
Makukuha ng with that two
Sana all, Ed Lawrence, Dallas.
points. Number 20.
Oh, Yael! Sana all, Yael.
Bola makuha ng Team Locoban. Here comes Sario. Fires a 3. No good. Nafrada gets the rebound. Wala pa rin. Tapikan Nafrada. There's no whistle.
Alaka ni Borodoy na foul.
Foul on first number 10. That's the first personal foul, second team foul.
Borodoy! Foul!
Sivilla has first teammate. Fires a 3. No good.
Up, yeah!
One to Rosario. Rosario now. Fires up. No good.
Sayang, tita. Ay, 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 ay.
Handball. Central basketball. Time remaining natin 1 minute and 50 seconds. Villa. Cross pass.
Leo, kinana nga yun.
Sario.
Ay!
Number 3, Magod Marcido.
Buruday! Sanal!
Number 3 pa rin ang bola. 1 minute 30 seconds. Step 2. No good.
Na Prada go!
Stepping against. Na Prada goes. Wala pa kukuha.
Sayang, sayang.
Jersey number 60, Villa. Si Villa to number 22, short. Makukuha ni number 13, Villa ng Tino Oban. As Rosario. There's no whistle. Foul committed by jersey number 22.
Oh, bakit na-shoot mo? Pambira ka, AJ. Pag walang ano,
58 seconds.
walang counting na shoot.
Rosario.
Shoot mo na dong.
The ball. Pass to teammate. 3 points.
Kaya mo naman pala, Red Lawrence.
Malakas wala si Eddie.
Red Lawrence, kaya mo pala 3 points eh. Panoorin nyo na lang video na to.
Bakit 13? Bumalik sa 13.
Attacking. There's no whistle.
Hoy, ayusin ng ano, skoran.
That's your third personal foul, 13 foul.
Sino dyan na foul?
15 shoot. Yeah, fires up, no good. 20 seconds.
Ribbon by!
15 seconds. 10 seconds. 5 seconds, wait for the buzzer.
Tira.
5 seconds, wait for the buzzer.
Tira mo, tira mo! Ay, tatay mo.
That's the end of the third quarter. It's a throw down to 20.
Fourth quarter na!
Up by 13.
Score! Centro 34, Loban 20. Yeah. May merienda na si Kuya eh.
Three points again.
Ed Lawrence! Sana all, Ed Lawrence!
Number 6, yeah. As his teammate fires up. No good. Lower bola. Team by number 26. Fires up.
Let's go right.
22.
Baba ka na rin, baba na.
Ang dami nyo dyan, ay!
Number 26. It's 5-2.
Sana all!
2 points.
Natalo na sila.
Here comes Samuel. 3 points.
Go, go, go! Ayusin, ayusin!
Kanina pa sana.
Sino nag-shoot ha?
Hindi pa.
Lawrence?
Hindi so ay naganan. Dalang.
Okay nam Dallas, naglang kagay mag 3 points. Ha? Dallas!
Again. Pass to his teammate. Fires up.
Nasobrahan.
Gets the rebound. Here comes Nappi. Gagged by Julia. Intercepted by Sario. Sario stops and falls.
Ay.
Bola
Ay.
tayo. Save.
Nagpipigsa ba na ng
Magpartak na ro ka.
Basketball runner. Here comes
Pati
Sevilla.
sentro ka mapangko nga hihiyawan.
Sevilla pass to his teammate.
Ay.
Intercepted back to Sevilla. Fires up. That's good.
Sana all. Sorry ka. Okay lang yan.
Guzman pass to Sario. Sario fires 3 for 2.
Sayang.
Number 12.
Ay, tatay mo.
Foul committed by jersey number
I'm remaining, boss. I'm remaining.
number 12.
Ilan na lang, ayun.
So first personal foul, first seat.
First personal foul?
3 minutes and 36 seconds.
Ay, busog na ako sa kakasigaw. Sana. Ed Lawrence, push.
Ball pass to Sario. Sario to Naprana, no good. Sevilla gets a rebound. Sevilla, no good.
Nakuha na? Natutos.
Comes number 6, there's no whistle. Foul committed by person number 13, pushing foul. So second personal foul,
Si
second.
Rambil na eh.
Jutan.
Ne? Kamu man? Napuka?
Remaining 4 minutes and 5 seconds.
Alis ka din.
Sario pass to his teammate number 13.
Ayawan.
Wala makuha ni number 12.
Sayang.
Viernes. Pass to number 6, Sevilla, no point. Pass to Sario again. Here comes Sario, first attempt by Garcia.
Nagpartak to magamin.
Pass sa kanyang kasama. Look at the receiver. 3 seconds violation. Time remaining natin 3 minutes and 25 seconds.
Nagpartak to madiyan na may sushoot. Hyper nga dagos, hyper EJ.
Here comes Sario, pass to Steven again.
Tanta, sayang.
Ball,
Hindi boy, kulang.
Garcia.
Ay, dalian mo.
Man.
Up.
Man, ito sa primero ng 21. Here comes number 21. 2 points.
Sana all, Yael.
Sario again. It's
Makaluka agbit video.
Sario, pinato.
Hindi pa rin shoot.
Wala na pang style.
Time out looban.
Okay, back to the okay. Time remaining natin 3 minutes and 51 seconds.
From ni Rebel. Dami ng shoot ni Rebel ah.
Yung open basketball, yung open basketball.
Hindi, nagdadakil ka laban da.
Jersey number 30, impounding the ball. As his teammate fires up, short. Here comes Nakim. Nakim throws to his right. He's strong. Ball out of bounds. Low over basketball.
Hindi to live.
Hindi live yan.
Number 30.
Video lang to
Number
video.
30, atake na Prince. Ball out of bounds tayo.
Laro-laro na nila. Ito yun. Ilang seconds na lang ba kuya? Uy, mahaba pa 2 minutes.
Number 30. By number 12.
2 minutes pa pala. 2 minutes pa daw. 2 minutes.
Wala na may problem yan.
Ayun.
Number 30 fires a 3 for 2. Wala makukuha ng 10 seconds.
Bartak sa naman ng Steven eh.
Viernes. As his teammate Garcia. Garcia atake na play. As deflected. Garcia. Viernes short. Can't shoot.
Dapat yung maliliit ng loob ng sentro.
whistle. Continue with the jersey number 1.
Pwede ko nga.
Ay, pinsan.
Sub daw, sub.
Wala.
Sub daw, sub. Sub kanino?
Sab, Dallas.
Dallas sub.
Substitution rep. Dallas out. Sario in.
Wala, naglalaro na lang sila.
Sario. As his teammate, Sevilla. Here comes Sevilla. To Garcia. Garcia lays up. That's good. 2 points.
Sakit ulo.
Sario again. 1 minute remaining. Intercepted. Sario. Binawi ang bola. Fires up. That's good.
Skuran nyo yan.
Number 12. Pass to Naki. Number 6. No good. Naki gets the rebound. Fires up. There's some whistle.
Foul pa eh.
Foul on jersey number 13. That's
Substitution ka daw.
Naman ni Roslyn na.
Substitution.
25 seconds.
Hoy, substitution. Rebin na.
First to Wesley.
Substitution daw po.
Wala, damdaman makuray-kuray. Damakit.
Sab po number 3.
Second throw will go. Number 1 gets his own miss. Fires up. All good. 2 points.
Sige na.
20 seconds.
Tita, magayaw ganito yun. Nagdadakil si Kalawad doon.
Mag-shoot pa din. Sino yun? Si ano, Parker? Pagbigyan niya si Parker, pambira.
Pambira naman, di.
Nanalo na.
Bigay ka na dito, bingal.
5 seconds. Wait for the basket.
Kamukin ni Rambel, Saryo.
Kapiarangan daw pa. Huwag ka naarangan, pambira.
Kapasad pa sana ako.
Corteza.
Ready to work in centro.
O, dito.
Next game natin, Looban versus Alamino. Sports Division.